Exactly. So speaking of shedding light, let's talk about damage to your own vehicle.
Okay, so we're moving on from who's covered to making sure your car is protected.
Exactly. When it comes to damage to my own car, what are my options? What do I need to know?
The two main types of coverage you'll want to think about are collision and comprehensive.
Collision versus comprehensive. Okay, I've heard those terms before, but I'll admit, they all kind of blend together. What's the difference?
Think of it this way, collision coverage kicks in for those oops moments when your car actually collides with something.
So another car, a tree, even a rogue shopping cart in a parking lot.
You got it. Comprehensive, on the other hand, is for those what are the odds situations. Things like theft, vandalism, fire, hailstorms, even hitting a deer falls under comprehensive.
Okay, so collision is for the things you kind of expect might happen, and comprehensive is for everything else.
That's a good way to think about it. But, as always, the devil is in the details. Even something as seemingly straightforward as the definition of collision can be tricky.
Oh, I'm sure it can.
There's a South Carolina case, Fowler, where a truck dumping sand leaned over and ended up getting damaged.
Oh.
Now, you wouldn't think that would qualify as a collision, right? It didn't hit another vehicle or
It
anything.
just leaned a little too far.